Josh Cozart, you can see Brenna there in a pretty big coat. A little bit chilly. Will it be damp down there?
Thankfully, we're drying things out.
Good.
Yeah, but you definitely want to dress in layers, and you'll likely be adding them on through the rest of this evening, all as we prepare for the temperatures to eventually warm back up. But if you are maybe just racing out to Goff Stadium right now, you can expect those dry and decreasing clouds to be on your commute. And if you're sitting cozy at home and watching on Portland CW or on the KOIN Plus app, you can expect those players to also be on the dry side after the soaking rains moved their way through the Portland-Vancouver area earlier this morning. Now we are on the drying mend here across the Pacific Northwest as those temperatures are hovering in towards the mid-50s, holding on to the overcast skies as sunset is at 8:06 this evening. Temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor, low to mid-50s, just the same out towards the coastline as that cloud coverage, it is socked in for much of the Pacific Northwest. May be able to squeeze out a stray raindrop or two across the Portland-Vancouver area over the next several hours, but the brunt of the moisture still resides out towards the east, where it's transitioning from rain over to snow over the Blue Mountains. But as far as the yearly rain deficit goes, so since January 1st, we're down by about 1/10 of an inch, but up 1/10 of an inch when we look at just April alone, which comes as no surprise that the drought impacts are still felt here across the Pacific Northwest. And it's not just Oregon and Washington, but much of the western and southeastern corners of the United States are dealing with widespread drought. And that's where much of the central sections of the country, the Rocky Mountain states and the Great Plains, dealing with red flag warnings through the rest of the night, all as temperatures are sitting well above average. Low humidity and gusty winds are increasing that wildfire concern. Maybe a bit of foreshadowing of what's to come here in the Pacific Northwest over the next several months, as a ridge of high pressure will begin to build just offshore. That's going to warm and dry us up as we move our way towards the weekend. We're talking about highs returning to the low 70s. All as our futurecast is showing decreasing clouds across the area, more sunshine by the evening, and we'll hold on to those dry, sunny skies well into Friday. So rain gauges really not expected to amount to very much at all as we begin that drying trend, as melting snow continues to take shape above 6,000 feet as we hold on to about a 7-foot snow deficit at Timberline Lodge. Not expected to erase that away, as historically we start to melt things down quite rapidly by the month of May. 45 degrees, that's where we fall to tonight. Tomorrow's highs back into the mid-60s we go, upper 50s for the coastline, as our 7-day forecast is showing a lot more of that sunshine in the mix for us, pushing as close to 70 degrees as early as Friday. That carries us into another picture-perfect weekend ahead, and maybe a brief sprinkle, a raindrop or two Sunday. That carries us into Monday before warmer and even drier skies get back into the mix for us.
Wow, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, picture perfect. 2 weekends back to back like that.
I know. All right. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Pakistan.